Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're looking at a mental health and wellness app called Worry Watch. Worry Watch is a mood tracker, an anxiety thought journal, and a coping resource provider rolled in one. It uses evidence-based CBT strategies to help users cope with anxiety and keep track of their negative and worrying thoughts. When we look at the pricing, it has a free version that lets you access limited features like being able to input only one journal entry daily. The paid version, however, is quite affordable at only $11.99 for an annual subscription. When we look at the features, Worry Watch helps users track daily worries, identify what triggers their anxiety, and learn CBT-backed coping mechanisms and techniques to manage those emotions. With options to input detailed thought processes, chart out an action plan, and reflect on outcomes at a later stage, it can be a comprehensive solution for self-guided emotional regulation. The coping strategies include breathing exercises, grounding techniques, mindfulness, and meditation. When we look at the reviews, Worry Watch has 4.6 stars on the App Store. One user appreciated the options to verbalize fears, categorize them, and reflect back on them, noting that doing so has enabled them to spot patterns of unnecessary overthinking and stress. So what are you waiting for? Give this app a try. You can start with a free version before you decide whether you're going to subscribe or not. You really need it. We all do.